Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a channel on the Imo. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Imo and you will see on the top right corner this icon, click on it. And then you will see channel option, click on it. And then you will see a create channel option, click on it, and then write here your channel which you want to create. For example, I want to create this type of name. After that, write here introductions, writing name and description and changing the profile. You can add your channel on the imo. So guys, in this way you can add or create a channel on the imo. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel.